Okay children, in previous class we learned A to H with picture and also we written beginning letter of the word. Okay, today we are learning I. We will start from the I. Okay. You are saying this is we call a igloo. Igloo means we can see this in snowy areas. Igloo. The animals will stay in this igloo. Okay. Write the beginning letter of this word. I for igloo. Sleeping line, standing line in between, and downside again one sleeping line. Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line. This is capital I. I for igloo. Next one is, you are seeing one water. It is jam water. You will use in snacks time. Morning you will have a snacks now. This is jam. Jam you will apply for the chapati and bread, no? Yes. Jam. J for jam. J for jam. Okay. Let's write beginning letter of this word. Sleeping line and standing line. Upper curve. This is capital J. J for jam. J for jam. Next one is key. K for key. If we will go outside from the house, we will close the door and we will lock the key from this key. Okay? Yes. We will call this key. Write the beginning letter of this word. K. Write one standing line and right slanting line, left slanting line. K for key. K for key. Next one is L for lock. L for lock. Lock, we will lock the door. Okay? And also we will use the key for locking. Okay? This is L for lock. Write the beginning letter of lock. Standing line, sleeping line. L. Capital L. L for lock. Next one is mug. Mug means we will use this mug for drinking milk. Okay? For drinking milk, we will use this mug. M for mug. Okay? Let's write the beginning letter of mug. Standing line, right slanting, left slanting, and again one standing line. This is capital M. M for mug. Next one is N for net. N for net. Net for what we will use? To catch the fish. Okay? Yes. Okay? Let's write the beginning letter of this word. Write one standing line, right slanting line, and one more standing line. This is capital N. N for net. N for net. Okay children. Next is O for owl. O for owl. When we will say this owl, okay, it will always, we can see at night time only. Okay, this is we call a owl. O for owl. Let's write this beginning letter of the word. O. This is capital O. We can call this O for owl. Next one is P for pin. P for pin. This pin, for what we will use? For cloths, tying something, things and all, no? Yes. We can always see this pin at home. Okay? Write the beginning letter of this word. P. Write one standing line and curve. P. This is capital P. P for pin. P for pin. Okay? Let's see your book, children. See. Some pictures are there. In previous class we learned A to H. we learned till, P for pin, P for pin. These all pictures in our books. P for pin.